So friends, I wanted to talk about this control pack. This is made by Gecko. You can see it right here. It's an Aeware system, A-E-W-A-R-E. And this is a little bit of a newer system. This is an IN.YE or an IN.XE system. And what I wanted to show you was the heater on here. So you have 4 screws. Let me show you that. Screw there, here, here, here. This comes out. This is the heater part, and you can see it's got 2 connections right here. And this, if this is powered up now, this is hot. It's 240 volts here. Then you have a temp sensor and a water flow sensor right here that plug into the board. So it's as simple as unplugging, unscrewing the screw. That's the ground right there. Undoing these 2 grounds, taking that screw and that screw loose, and this peels down. And you take this loose. Of course, you have to close your service valves, your slice valves. And if they won't hold, you've got to take the water out of the tub. And these unscrew, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And what this is a split nut like this right here. You simply turn the nut and you can see it's threaded on the inside. Another way that you could do it if the plumbing is really tight is just simply turn it around until the screws are facing out and take the 2 screws out. So what you have here is this is a replacement heater. And you can see it says Heat.wav-XE. This is a 4 kW, 240 volt. And the deal is if you check across these 2 terminals right here with the meter, if you check across those 2 and it is open, then the heater's bad. Period. As long as this connection is made right here. If you check across this and it's showing continuity, there's nothing wrong with the heater. The other thing, so there's 2 scenarios where you would replace the heater part of this. One scenario would be you check across this, it's open. The other one would be it's tripping the breaker. You unhook these 2 wires and it quits tripping. Those are the 2 scenarios. Now, it has a sensor right here. The sensor could be bad, and this flow switch could be bad, which is a water sensing switch. It actually looks for water movement. If either one of those are bad, at this point, some of those are not sold separately, but it may come in the future that you can find those separately. If they are sold separately, I will put that down in the link area, down in the bottom of the description area for this heater and any heater related to this. But if it's not available, you will not see it down there. You have to buy the entire heater, which some of the point of this is to make this very user-friendly, where a homeowner can diagnose this and simply replace it. I use oil filter pliers on this, by the way. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a little bit of testing with my meter and show you what we're talking about. Stay tuned. So this is an example of oil filter pliers on there. I sell them on the site, but you can simply just grab it and tighten it and loosen it with those pliers. And you can see the shape of them. They open up really big. And that's actually the smallest or biggest setting. So that is a way to do that. In a moment we're going to show you some testing here. Stay tuned. So if you're testing, you can see my meter right here. You look right here, you can see it says open limit. Touch that, it makes a noise showing continuity. If you check across this right here, it shows continuity. That heater's good. The only other scenario where this heater would be bad is if it's tripping the breaker.